Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at Markdown header sizes for Jupyter Notebooks. So we'll start off by creating a new Markdown cell. And for header sizes in Jupyter Notebook, the size can be changed using hashtags. So with one hashtag here, this is the largest header size. And if we increase it to 2 hashtags, this is slightly smaller in font size. And then if we add on another hashtag, so to 3, this will be even smaller. And so this can be increased to 4, 5, and then lastly 6 hashtags, which is the smallest font size. So we can see that the size decreases when the number of hashtag used increases from 1 to 6, and beyond 6 hashtags, this will treat it as a literal hashtag. And this is shown here with the color change, which changes to white. So this will actually be returned as output here. So this is how to change the header size in Jupyter Notebook Markdown cells using hashtags.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.